morning children. Today we will discuss the question answers from why do will fall in. The list given below shows some diseases caused by microorganism or infectious agents. How many of these diseases are caused by bacteria? So question number 1, option D is the correct answer. That is 5. The pathogens of disease can be transferred from infected mother to the fetus through. Question number 2, option B is the correct answer. Question number 2, option B is the correct answer, placenta. Next, question number 3. Select the correct match of the deficiency disease and release nutrient. So question number 3, option D is the correct answer, vitamin D, osteomalacia. Okay. Next, question number 4. Select the incorrect statement. Question number 4, option C is the correct answer. DPT is vaccine that provides immunity for diphtheria only. Next, question number 5. Select the intrinsic disease causing factor among the following. Option C, that is abnormal hormone secretion. This is the answer. Question number 5, option C is the answer. Question number 1D, 2B, 3D, 4C and 5C. Question number 6. Chronic diseases have two long-term bad effects on health. Two long-term bad effects. Question number 6, A is the correct answer. Next, select the incorrect match of disease of its vector or carrier. Question number 7. Question number 7, option D is the correct answer, chikungunya sandfly. Okay, this is the correct answer for this particular question. Incorrect match it is. Question number 8. Read the following statements carefully. So, BCG is triple vaccine effective against tuberculosis, typhoid and malaria. Malaria is transmitted by both male and female anopheles mosquitoes. Chronic diseases are characterized by drastic long-term effects. Addison's disease is caused due to hyposecretion of aldosterone. So next, question number 8. Question number 8, option C is the correct answer. That is 3 and 4. 3 and 4, option C is the correct answer. Next, question number 9. Question number 9. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding acute disease? 9, option A is the correct answer. They last for long time, maybe as much as a lifetime. Question number 10. Match the column 1 and column 2. Select the correct option for the given codes. So 10, option B is the correct answer. 10, option B is the correct answer. A4, B1, C5, C5, D2 and E3. This is the correct answer, option B. Next, read the given statements and select the correct option. Statement 1. Antibiotics are not effective against viral infection. Virus belongs to the different group of pathogens and they use the host cells to replicate. So question number 11, option A is the correct answer. Both statements 1 and 2 are true and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Next, question number 12. Question number 12. The given figures shows an organism which is responsible for causing the diseases. Question number 12. Option C is the correct answer, sleeping sickness. This is the sleeping sickness. Okay. Next, question number 13. Refer to the given Venn diagram and select the correct statement regarding PQRST. So, question number 13, option B is the correct answer. R could be elephantiasis, whereas T could be mumps. Okay, this is the correct answer. Question number 14. Pulse polio immunization program was launched with an aim to eradicate polio disease. It involves simultaneous administration to polio drops, polio vaccine to the high risk population on the single day throughout the nation. What is the basic object of pulse polio immunization program? So question number 14, option D is the correct answer, that is all of these, because all of these they are given. This is the correct answer, question number 14. Next, question number 15. Question number 15, option study the table carefully and select the option that correctly fills up the blanks A, B, C and D. So question number 15, option C is the correct answer, that is diabetes mellitus, thyroid hormones, hyposecretion, aldosterone. Okay. Next, question number 16. It is written Milan suffered from viral infection that got severe due to another infection. He took antibiotics in the treatment. The graph shows pathogen load in his body during the period of sickness. Select the correct statement regarding it. So question number 16, option A is the correct answer, that is 1 and 4. X represent bacterial infection which decreases rapidly after antibiotic treatment, and Y represent viral infection which decreases due to the body immunity. So 1 and 4 is the correct answer. Next, question number 17. So question number 17, the diagram is given. So option D is the correct answer. S can be any of AIDS, polio or measles. Next, question number 18. Select the option correctly identifies any two of diseases. 18, option D is the correct answer, V, AIDS and R, gonorrhea. Okay. Question number 19. Which of the following holds true regarding the viral disease that you identify to the correct? So question number 19, option D is the correct answer, all of these. And the last one of this chapter, that is question number 20. The given graphs the amount of different antibiotics P and Q in the blood of person during pathogen infection and after complete recovery. These two graphs are given. So 20C is the correct answer. This time the person suffered from the pathogenic infection from which his body produced antibody Q. Okay. So this is the correct answer, 20C. So this chapter is finished. Next, natural resources. Our next chapter, that is natural resources. Select the incorrect statement. Smoke is a mixture of water vapor, smoke dust particle and gases. So question number 1, option C is the correct answer. Rain with low pH is the consequence of increased use of non-conventional sources of energy. This is the correct answer. Next, question number 2. Question number 2, the phenomenon of increase in concentration of non-biodegradable organic compound with each trophic level in food chain is called. Question number 2, option D is the correct answer, option D, biomagnification. Next, question number 3, which of the following is not an effect of deforestation? None of these. Biodiversity loss, global warming, soil erosion, none of this is the correct answer. Question number 4, some water falling on the ground forms an extremely thin, tightly and held firm around the soil particles called dash, while some water moves down up to the water level is called. Select the correct option. Question number 4, option C is the correct answer, hygroscopic water, gravitational water. Next, question number 5. Question number 5, it is saying select the option that correctly identifies X and Y. So 5C is the correct answer. X is biological, Y is heat. Okay, this is the correct answer. Question number 6, soil X has poor water holding capacity. Soil Y is well drained and contains 1 part clay and 2 parts of each sand and slate. Soil Z has excellent water holding capacity but is poorly aerated. So question number 6, option A is the correct answer. Soil X is commonly found in those regions where xerophytes are abundant. Okay, the question number 6, option A is the correct answer. Next, question number 7. Question number 7, refer to the given Venn diagram. 7, option A, burning of fossil fuels. This is the burning of fossil fuels. That option A is the correct answer. Next, question number 8, read the given statements and select the correct option. Statement 1, sandy soil is unfit for plant growth. In sandy soil, sand particles are relatively larger in size and cannot hold much water. So question number 8, option A is the correct answer. Both statements 1 and 2 are true, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Next, question number 9. The given graph shows the amount of the pollutants in 4 rivers P, Q, R, S. The river that can continue to support the most number of the aquatic plants and animals is A, P, Q, R, S. 4 options are given. 9. Option A is the correct answer, that is P. Question number 10. The given figures represents the oxygen cycle which maintains the level of oxygen in the atmosphere. Which of the following process will you place X and Y in the figure? Okay. So question number 10, option D is the correct answer, photosynthesis and respiration. Next, question number 11, which of the following is not the correct statement regarding eutrophication? So 11, option B is the correct answer. It is found in all types of ecosystem. Okay. Question number 12, match column 1 and 2 and select the correct option from the given codes. So question number 12, option B is the correct answer, A4, B5, C1, D2, E3. This is the correct answer. Next, question number 13. Question number 13, the given figure shows the percentage by volume of different soil components. Identify PQRS and select the incorrect statement. So 13, option D is the correct answer. R consists of different size rock. All the wrong. The correct answer, correct statement is given only in case of 13 it is not given. So option D is the correct answer. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding nitrogen fixation? So question number 14, option D is the correct answer. Nitrosomes and nitrobacter are usually photoallotrophs. Okay, nitrosome and nitrobacter. Nitrosomonas and nitrobacter are usually photoallotrophs. Next, question number 15. Organisms like lichens are very sensitive to the levels of, question number 15, option B is the correct answer, sulfur dioxide. 15, sulfur dioxide. Next, the given figure shows a river and the types of land used on the river sides of the river. The water quality of the river was studied by measuring the amounts of dissolved oxygen and ammonia in the water collected at sites X, Y, Z. The results are given below. So this is the results are given below. Okay. So question number 16, option D is the correct answer. Both B and C. Both B and C are the correct answer. That is why option D, site Z has the highest concentration of ammonia because of leaching of fertilizers from the nearby crop fields, and C also correct, organisms such that algae and which thrive at site Y, while very few fishes are found at site Y. Okay. Next, question number 17. Question number 17, in the given graph is given. So which of the following options most appropriately identify X and Y? So question number 17, option D is the correct answer. X is oxygen, Y is nitrogen compounds. Next, question number 18. 18, the given cycle, this cycle identify X, Y and Z. So question number 18, option B is the correct answer. X nitrate, Y denitrification and Z ammonification. Okay. Next, question number 19. R is an organic compound containing only carbon, chlorine and fluorine. It has been widely used as refrigerant, propellant and solvent. Montreal Protocol phased out manufacture of such compounds because R contributes to formation of S in the atmosphere. So which of the following would not be consequence of S? So question number 19, option D is the correct answer. Increased the incidences of diabetes. Last question, question number 20. The following table shows mercury concentration in the various organisms living in the same terrestrial habitat. So question number 20, option C is the correct answer. P to R to T to Q to S. Okay, this is the correct answer. So this chapter is finished. In our next chapter, improvement in food and resources, this is the chapter, last chapter. Which of the following statement is incorrect? 1, option C is the incorrect option, that is both fertilizers and manures are nutrient specific. Next, question number 2. Which of the following chemical is used as fumigant? So question number 2, option A is the correct answer, EDCT. Next, question number 3. Blue revolution refers to the drastic increase in the production of. Question number 3, option D is the correct answer, fish. Next, question number 4. The poultry bird groomed for obtaining meat is called dash, while the groomed for obtaining egg is called dash. Question number 4, option D is the correct answer, that is broiler and layer. Next, question number 5. Select the incorrect match. Select the incorrect match. We have to select. So question number 5, option B, poultry, that is the correct answer. Virus, this is the correct answer, option B. Next, question number 6. Select the group of the contains only the micronutrients essential for plant growth. Question number 6, option B is the correct answer, zinc, copper and manganese. Next, question number 7. Crop improvement by crossing two plants with different desired characters in order to combine this character is called. Question number 7, option C, that is called hybridization. Hybridization is the correct answer. Question number 8. Complete the given statements by selecting. 8, option D is the correct answer, that is vermicompost is a kind of manure which is derived from organic wastes of the plant and animals organ by using earthworms. Next, 2, Nagori is drought breed of cattle. 3, sprinkler system, that is water escapes from revolving nozzle and falls like rain on the crops. And the last one, interspecific hybridization is the process of crossing individuals of two different species of the same genus to produce the hybrid. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Next, question number 9. Question number 9, read the given statements. Which of the statements are incorrect? 1 and 4 are the incorrect statement. Bee wax obtained from bees is deposition of excretory products of honeybee, and Saniel and Mura has exotic beds used extensively in cattle farming. So 1 and 4 are the correct option. Okay, question number 9, option C, 1 and 4. Next, question number 10. Read the following statements and select the option which is correctly fills up in the blanks. So 10, option B is the correct answer, 3 June, 4 October and 5 November. This is the correct answer. Okay, option B. Next, 11. The steps in the preparation of green manure are given in the below in random order. Select the options that represent these steps steps in the correct sequence. 11 option D is the correct answer. After decomposition it becomes green manure. After decomposition it gives green manure. Question number 12. This PQRS given. So 12D is the correct answer. P and Q emerge of the unfertilized egg while R emerge from fertilized egg. Okay. Next question 13. Some species of fish can be cultured in a single fish pond. These fish do not compete for food as they have different food habits. In the following options, fish are paired with their food habits. Select the incorrect match. So question number 13, option D, common carp, a surface feeder. This is the correct answer. Next question number 14. Match the column 1 and 2 and select the correct option. That is option number question number 14, option A, A5, B2, C1, D3, E4. Okay. Next question number 15. Question number 15, read the following statements carefully and select the option correctly identifies them as true and false. So question number 15, option B is the correct answer. True, false, true, false. The first one is true. The worker bees and are provided with hypergenial glands for secretion of bee milk. This is the true. After that it is the false statement. This is true, this is false statement. Okay. So question number 16. Question number 16. Read the paragraph where the few words have been listed. Now 16. C is the correct answer. The positions of the surface water and groundwater should be interchanged. This is the correct option. Next question number 17. 17 D is the correct answer. P is the hemorrhagic spectinemia, whereas Q is rinderpest. Okay, this is the correct answer. Next question number 8. First you read the passage, then XY, what is that? 18B is the correct answer. X is intercropping, Z is crop rotation. Okay. So next question number 19. Which of the following options is correct regarding criteria of the crop selection for these cropping patterns? So question number 19, option C is the correct. In X, the crops used should have different sowing and harvesting dates. Last question, question number 20. Select the showing the correct sequence test to produce a new genetic variety of crop. That is 20 question number B, that is germplasm collection, selection of parents, hybridization of the selected parents, selection of the superior, recombination, testing and release of new varieties. So question number 20, option B is the correct answer. So I think all of you can understand. Thank you.